for like 4 of those hours. Like it was just like a dirt road and trees all around, and like people just don't see like that stuff, and like and also just being at the festival and like just kind of the weird. I feel like time doesn't necessarily exist at some of these festivals, and like you kind of lose yourself, and you'll just go off and like you stop thinking of like, oh hey, I need to be here. I need to be here.
Festivals are so much about the adventures. Yeah, it's not about what's going on the stage. It's about trying to rally your troops to get to the damn stage. Like
finding people and then being just like watching somebody, and then then your friend comes up to you, or you see somebody you haven't seen in forever.
Well, that's exactly it. That's my favorite thing about festivals is getting to be around people that run into a friend. Like that's my favorite thing. I feel super lucky because on this entire planet I might be one of the leaders in being around people running into someone they don't know that they were going to see. Yeah. And I love it. Yeah. Like it warms my heart because it's just like the best. And like these festivals present hurdles that you have to get through and maintain your attitude, and everybody learns from each other. Like it's really, really interesting. It's incredible how much one person can impact someone else's festival, positively or negatively.
Yeah, you've seen.
You know what I mean? And
both ways for sure.
Absolutely. So. That's the other project is these. I have 2 books coming out. They're called the Festival Bible. There's one for festival goers and one for festival throwers. So this is my
both sides.
Yeah.
Both sides
So it's like if you're throwing a festival, you read this book and you're gonna learn something to help you throw a better festival.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you're gonna learn a lot of things. I really focus heavy on. I honestly think we can end festival trash next year. Yeah. The festivals
that
currently...
is a big, like, and there needs to... I was just talking to my manager about this, about recycling, and how a lot of places, a lot of venues even don't, like, there's no way to recycle. Yeah. There's no way. We have all these bottles of water that you're paying $20 for, and then what? You just throw it on the ground because you're pissed off? Like, there needs to be something in place for us to at least have the option,
No, absolutely. And these festivals, that it's very interesting in that they don't realize that it's okay to tell us that it's our responsibility to pick up after ourselves.
They're scared to say that.
They do too. Yeah. It is our responsibility because there's no way that you can do it otherwise. And so I provide a bunch of ideas on ways to do this. Lightning in a Bottle, one of my home festival, and just one of the best festivals you'll ever go to. After the last artist ends on each stage, they play a cleanup song through the speakers, and it's like, awesome. Clean up, clean up, whatever. It's just some little jingle, but everyone's like, oh yeah. You look down, same thing. So another thing I've been working on is when an artist headlines a stage, tell everyone, like, do the big photo. Tell everyone to pick up a piece of trash.
Ooh, yeah.
Pick it up. It takes, you know what I mean? And everyone looks down and does it. Like, I got
Grizz
did it. Shambhala, I had Grizz, Thomas Jack, and Jack London, who all did it.
That's awesome.
The Funk Hunters did it the night before at a festival called